Hey, you know, just in case you come to the office and you hear a dog barking, come here, Tico. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. So you might be hearing our little puppy. So Tico comes to work with us every day because he's an only child. And he gets very lonely if he's not here. So, but he does hear voices, or he hears somebody come in the back door. You might hear him bark, and we like that because then we know somebody's coming in the back door. But yeah, he's our mascot, and he keeps us all in line, don't you, Tico? You want to give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. Thank you.